Shipping is absolutely essential to worldwide trade and the global economy. Unsurprisingly, one of the most important assets in shipping are the ships. These giant hunks of steel are crashing through thousands of miles of salt water and need to be maintained. And dustless blasting is by far the best tool for the job, which is why this weekend we'll be at the Pacific Marine Expo in Seattle. Dustless blasting is the best way to remove old anti-fouling paint from boat bottoms, getting rid of stubborn barnacles, resurfacing ship decks, and prepping areas that are needing repair. It can handle the most severe corrosion and thickest coatings, all without creating a plume of dust, so that welders, electricians, or painters nearby don't have to stop working. Plus, our machines are built tough and known for their reliability, so you can expect many years of trouble-free operation. If you're looking to start a business for yourself, dustless blasting is a great way to tap into this $4 trillion industry. If you'll be at PME, be sure to visit us in booth 233 or check out our website to learn more.